Chaos is somewhere in here. You'll just have to go explore for yourself. Guess I don't need to tell you what to watch out for. Supposedly, this Iron Fist of Arkus has got all sorts of crazy powers. Command of the entire Archean army, super strength, ability to create the world's best Omni. Don't know how many Archeans are still knocking around this City of Arkus, but you watch out. Wish I still had my giant robot. I'd go down there with you. Chaos is somewhere in... Ah!
Alright, so this place must have a central palace or something. My guess is we'll find Chaos there. Ready to go look for that creep? Aces! This is kind of exciting. It's my first visit to a lost city. Well, I've been lost in cities before, but, well, you get the drift. Let's do this! So, this is the lost city of Arkus. Although, now, wouldn't it be the found city of Arkus? I'm betting the whole joint is filled with all sorts of weird and mysterious traps and dangers, the likes of which we've never ever seen. So, you go search for the palace. I'm gonna go look into that city name change thing. Got it? Gotta go.
Skylanders of the Magic Draw Wanderer.
Welcome to Arkus. I am a recording. According to my internal clock, over 10,000 years have passed since I was last activated. Hopefully this is not an indication of any problems related to the Archean society.
Yes!
Welcome to Arkus. This message was recorded over 10,000 years ago, so I cannot be sure what has changed. But this was once our only natural spring. The waters were known to have mystical properties to all who bathed in them, perhaps due to the hat that binds things.
Level up.
All charged up. Take flight.
Welcome to Arkus.
Oh, yeah.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
Yes.
Attention! Tonight there will be a robot musical about me and my awesome rise to power. All minions are ordered to attend. That is all.
Welcome to Arkus. We Arkeans are always looking for secret places to stash our many treasures. This city is full of such places, and feel free to hide treasure anywhere you wish.
Take flight!
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, yeah! Out of my way. Yes!
Your Emperor has a riddle for you, minions. How many Skylanders does it take to beat Chaos? None! They were never seen again!
Skylanders of the Earth element, Skylanders of the magic element.
Archean Sniper.
Dare to try again?
Fancy meeting you here. All of these wonderful items are yours for the purchasing.
Woohoo!
You need a magic Skylander.
Dear loyal Archean lackeys, the following Skylanders must be caught and disposed of immediately. All of them! Thank you.
Greetings. If you happen to be looking for a place to cool off, metaphorically speaking, I've got just the spot for you. This used to be where the Archeans cooked all their pies, but robots wouldn't eat them, so they started making hats here instead. Looks like there's still one left.
Oh, yeah!
From now on, my loyal servant, Computron, will now be called Sir, my loyal servant, Computron.
This is a Roboto Ball, used for the sport also called Roboto Ball. It was once quite popular in Archean society, but eventually outlawed. You are permitted to play with it, though.
I'd tell you nice try, but it wasn't. Yes! Take flight!
For his years of faithful service, Glumshanks will now serve my Computron and is hereby promoted to Oiling Assistant 3rd Class. Good luck, Glumshanks!
Yes! Woohoo! I'd tell you nice try, but it wasn't.
This is the door that leads to our Grand Imperial Palace. If it were only an Imperial Palace, it would only require one energy beam to activate. But as it is a Grand Imperial Palace, it will require 2 energy beams.
Attention, loyal minions. Tomorrow we begin our world domination. So be sure to go to bed early.
Call that a challenge?
Well done. You may now enter the Grand Imperial Palace. Though I must warn you, all who enter never return. In fact, it is probably best if I transport you back to your ship, so you can prepare for a long stay. I will summon you back when you are ready.
Oh, yeah!
Great job, Skylander. Chaos must be inside that palace.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go in and take him out.
Ah, you young folks, everything's rush, 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 innit? That's just what the clouds want. You rush right in all willy-nilly, and before you know what's what, poof!
He's right, you know.
About the clouds? Really? You finally believe me about the clouds?
No. It's just that stopping Chaos isn't going to be easy. Go when you're ready, Skylander.